Thank you for watching. This is the other part of the video. I don't know how those videos got separated because the other video didn't even have the ending of my trailer on the video, but here's the rest where I put the slack up for the rafters to be attached to. This was very difficult for me to do by myself, but I said a prayer about it, and I asked God for the strength and the knowledge on how to do this. And like always, He came through, and I was able to get that up by myself. I've got two 2x6 boards there laying on the ground that are long enough that they both will be long enough to have a hangover on the front and on the back side, because I do want gutters around the greenhouse. So I'm trying to do this so that I can not have to redo anything. I'm going to need help with the rafters because I don't know how to cut those. But I've seen them put these middle boards up that the rafters are attached to. I haven't watched anybody put one up by themselves. So how I got this up here, I don't know. It was the grace of God. I kept moving the ladder around. First, I tried to put it in the slacks without laying it up there first. I would try to put each end in, but it was too long, and I couldn't get the other end up once I got one end in. So I ended up having to take it all the way down and start over, and I just laid it at the top. And then I was able to lift one side up, rest it on one side, and then come on the other side and climb up there and knock one side in at a time. And that's what you see me doing right there, is knocking that side in. And then I go to the other side and I knock the other side in. It's pretty sturdy. It took some doing to get it up there, but it made the building, the frame, very, very sturdy. It hardly shakes anywhere now. So I am looking forward to putting my rafters up there. I've got to get somebody to do that math for me, because I didn't want a really steep roof. But it looked like I might need to take that up a little bit higher. I'm not sure. If you know, please put something in the comment. Let me know if I need to raise that center board up some more. Is it too short for rafters to come off? All I need is for the water to roll off the roof. I don't need a really steep, tall, and I want the aesthetics to be good. So if it's not going to look right because I've got it too low, let me know. Or if it's just fine the way it is, let me know that too. But thank you so much for watching.